Samsung's next major software upgrade is finally on the horizon, and the leaked changelog confirms that it is one of the biggest updates the company has released in a long time. One UI 8.5 is set to arrive next month, and it brings a long list of new features that focus on AI, performance, battery life, and better device connectivity. This is not a small patch aimed at fixing bugs. It is a major upgrade designed to make Galaxy devices smarter, faster, and more useful in everyday life. Originally expected to launch alongside the Galaxy S26 series in January 2026, One UI 8.5 is built to push Samsung software into a new era. The company is clearly trying to compete with rivals like Apple and Google, who are racing ahead with AI-driven platforms. One UI 8.5 shows Samsung's intention to not only catch up, but also introduce meaningful improvements that change how users interact with their devices. The biggest highlight of One UI 8.5 is the new set of Galaxy AI upgrades. These additions are not just minor enhancements. They are built to change workflows and make tasks easier and faster. A major example is continuous image generation. Instead of saving every small experiment as a new photo, the system will now generate variations automatically in the background. Users can then browse through these variations as part of a single creation history. This helps keep the gallery clean while supporting more creativity without the mess. AI-powered editing is also getting smarter. Image editing tools will allow users to adjust scenes, change objects, and fine-tune details without exporting photos into separate apps. This keeps everything within the native photo editor, making edits quicker and more convenient. Leaks suggest that Samsung is working on tools similar to Google's contextual editing features, where users can make changes using simple, natural prompts. It shows Samsung's aim to make Galaxy AI more practical and more powerful, not just a collection of shortcuts. Another major change is happening with Bixby, Samsung's long-standing but often overlooked digital assistant. Bixby is set to receive its biggest upgrade in years. According to leaks, it will gain better natural language understanding, meaning it can interpret everyday speech more accurately. It is also expected to access settings and apps more intelligently, reducing the need for manual input. A major feature coming to Bixby is conversation history. Instead of starting over every time, the assistant will allow users to revisit past interactions. Bixby is also expected to provide help across apps without being manually activated first. These upgrades push Bixby closer to the next generation of AI assistants, which is critical as companies like Google and others invest heavily in smart assistants. One UI 8.5 also introduces a system-wide feature called Storage Share, designed to unify Galaxy devices into a connected ecosystem. It allows users to access files from their Samsung phone, tablet, or PC directly through the My Files app. In simpler terms, this is Samsung's version of shared cloud storage across all Galaxy products, which could greatly improve productivity for users who switch between multiple devices. The update also includes shortcuts to make device streaming faster. Users will be able to place a home screen icon that instantly mirrors the phone to a TV. This could be useful for presentations, gaming, or social gatherings. Audio sharing is also being improved with enhanced Auracast support, and a new voice broadcast feature will allow a user's voice to stream to connected receivers. This is practical uses in classrooms, meetings, and group events. Battery management is also getting a major overhaul. One UI 8.5 redesigns the battery settings page completely. Statistics will be easier to understand, charging data will be clearer, and users will get better estimates of usage time. Power saving mode will now offer customizable settings, so users can choose which features to limit. For emergency situations, a new maximum mode will shut down everything except essential functions to preserve as much power as possible. These upgrades are designed to improve daily battery life and long-term battery health. Smaller updates are also scattered throughout the system. Accessibility settings are expanding. The quick panel will have more controls, and partial screen recording will be possible. Apps like weather, health, security, and privacy, and quick share are also receiving improvements to layout, reliability, and intelligence. The leaked roadmap suggests that the beta rollout for One UI 8.5 could begin on December 8, starting in select markets before expanding gradually. Beta testing will likely bring stability updates, performance improvements, and UI changes before the final release in early 2026. The biggest theme of One UI 8.5 is AI-first design. Samsung is focusing on creativity, productivity, and smarter device management rather than cosmetic changes. This update feels less like a small step and more like a preview of Samsung's long-term software strategy. If these leaks are accurate, One UI 8.5 could be the most impactful upgrade since Android 16, and it is only weeks away from launch. Samsung users may soon experience a completely new way of interacting with their devices, shaped by smarter AI tools, improved performance, and stronger connectivity across the entire Galaxy ecosystem.